Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple developer not downloading in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to sign into your Apple developer to get a new update, that is iOS 26 developer beta, and you can't download Apple developer in your iPhone or iPad, and you can't sign in your Apple account at Apple developer. So guys, in this video I will show you that how can you fix your problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, from here you need to make sure that you are using latest version of iOS 18. And guys, after this you need to go back. After this, scroll it down, and from here guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And now guys, you have to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your device. And after this, go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you have to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And after this, go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store, and here you need to search Apple developer. So after opening it, you will see that from here you can easily download your Apple developer, as you can see, and you need to sign in here. And guys, if you can't download this app in your iPhone, then no need to worry. You have to go back and open Safari, and you need to search Apple developer website, and you can use that website instead of app. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.